Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can stream live to Facebook using StreamYard and how you can do it to a Facebook group because there is a bit of a workaround. So let me share my screen and I will show you how to do this. So first of all, you want to go onto StreamYard and then you want to click on live stream, and we're going to go onto live stream. We're going to click add a new destination and we're going to choose our destination. Now on Facebook, you can't stream directly into a Facebook group, but you can stream on a Facebook page or on a profile. So what I would do is I would either click on the page or select your profile to do that, and then you can share it from that profile into the group that you want to go into. Now, if I go to add a Facebook page, it will ask me to continue with Facebook, but I know that if I go and stream to a page, this is my current Facebook page, it's going to come up with, I don't have the rights to do this because I don't meet the approval anymore. That's okay. I do know that I have the rights to do it on my Facebook profile. So I will do it on my Facebook profile instead. So I'm going to connect to that. That's great. There you go. And so we're going to choose that destination there. Once we've chosen the destination, I'm just going to put in test example live. Example live. And we're going to schedule it for later. Now I'm going to schedule it for the 22nd and I'm going to schedule it for 7 p.m. You can add a cover image there. So if you wanted to upload a thumbnail, you could do so. So let me just upload a picture just to show you what that would look like. There we go. Let's do this. Let's just use one of my brand pictures from Amanda. There you go. Click on apply. So this would be what would show when we created it. And then we can click on create a live stream. So that would schedule the live stream for us. So once that is done, so you can see it here, scheduled for the 22nd at 7 p.m. When you are then ready to go live, you would come in and you would click enter the studio. So this is how the live takes place. It will give you this studio. Just click that off there. Make sure your cameras are working and enter the studio. Let's click on that. We don't need this. Now, when you go live on StreamYard, you've got here like a little add to stage. You need to click on that and you need to add yourself in. Otherwise, people won't be able to see you. If you wanted to share a screen, if you just click on present or invite, choose share a screen, it will share a screen for you. But once you are ready to go live, you will click up here. And on the top right hand side, you'll just click on go live. And this will automatically go live on Facebook for you. Then once you are live, you can do this, or you can get a friend or a family member to do this. Go onto Facebook, go onto your profile. Your live would pop up here. So a bit like this post, you could always click here, click on share, share to a group, and then you would choose the group that you wanted to send it to. So that is how you would then go live from StreamYard onto Facebook. This is actually my preferred method. You can do it via Zoom, and there is another method for that, but that does, and I have got another video, sorry, to show you how to do that. But whilst that can go straight into a group, there is quite a bit of settings to do. And before you can do it on Facebook, you have to go live on Zoom and then go into Facebook and click a button in Facebook. StreamYard is much more intuitive, but like I say, it can't stream direct into a Facebook group. So it completely depends on what you want to do and the support that you've got, but schedule it to a page and then you can share it into the group anyway. But that is how you go live on Facebook via StreamYard.